If you're ready to take a break from sugar and from wine and get back into a very simple routine and start to feel in control again, then I have a plan for you. So today I'm going to walk through what 1,300 calories and 130 grams of protein actually looks like in a day using the same 21-day fast start reset that I'm doing with my clients this January. Hi, I'm Violet, a health and nutrition coach, a weight loss clinic manager, and I help midlife women reach their goal weight. And today I'm going to go over the basics of my plan as how I would use it. It's a simple, repeatable menu that removes the guesswork so you can lose weight and, most importantly, rebuild consistency and get back on track fast. I start my day with a protein shake. It's high in protein, low in calories, and if you have to get to the office quickly in the morning, this simplifies your life. I use unsweetened almond milk. I find it makes my shake much creamier. And I also add in an organic oat fiber powder. It mixes in really well and it adds insoluble fiber and gives you extra satiety. And then I'll throw in a few extra microgreens for good measure and get ready for my day. Mid-morning snack timing is really important. The goal is to stay ahead of hunger and not react to it. When hunger is managed well, a portion-controlled snack is enough. But if you wait too long, even the right food can feel unsatisfying and can even make your hunger and cravings worse. I have a PDF you can download with suggestions and ideas for snacks, but this is what I'm using for my reset. It's a protein bar from the No Sugar Company, which is a Canadian company. I have this with coffee about 3 to 4 hours after my shake. There's lots of whole foods on this plan, so I really don't fret about having a few packaged protein products. It makes the plan easier for me and more sustainable, and I do have a lot of whole food suggestions on the PDF if you choose to have those instead. Lunch every day will be a salad with protein. That sounds boring, but you should have no hunger for at least 4 hours. Start by making your salad. Use some chopped kale or romaine for the base. Now you want to add 1.5 to 2 cups of chopped veggies. I like to use broccoli slaw with some chopped cabbage. In the morning before work, I'll add a little lemon and sprinkle on my favorite feta. This is shredded chicken. I pre-make this in my crock pot. I have enough in the fridge for 3 days and enough in the freezer for another 4 days. Use between 2.5 and 4 ounces, depending on your personal needs. I add a low-calorie dressing and count the cheese as my fat serving. This is a skinny girl dressing, but I often make my own. This salad can be pre-made in the morning. These veggies don't get soggy. And that's it. Cover it up and have it about 3 hours after your mid-morning snack. This is what I call front-loading your day. Even though the calories are low, the timing, the volume, and the protein will keep you from feeling hungry and deprived. And if you do this, the rest of your day will be much easier. Mid-afternoon snack, you can have around 4 o'clock and have another protein portion, like protein chips or a serving of Greek yogurt. Dinner is going to be 6 to 8 ounces of your choice of protein, another 2 cups of cooked vegetables, and a serving of fat. If you want to save your mid-afternoon snack and have it for a late evening snack, you can do that. There's really no one-size-fits-all approach when it comes to weight loss. The goal is that you need to be in a calorie deficit, and you also need to enjoy your food enough without it being your main source of entertainment. And it also should feel sustainable, at least for the 21 days. So you want to keep things simple, repeat your meals, and take the guesswork out of everything. During this reset, you're eating what you planned, not what you feel like in the moment. And that's how you start rebuilding trust with yourself. Because weight loss isn't just about the meal plan, it's about following the meal plan and being consistent. And of course, having good nutrition. So if you'd like the free, full 21-day restart plan, the link is in the description below.